Welcome. Today I'm with Sony WH-1000XM3 headphones, and I'll show you how you can pair them with your Android phone. We got two methods. The first one, and the most fastest, by using the Bluetooth settings. So you have to open the Bluetooth settings on your phone, enable Bluetooth by tapping on the switcher. Next, you have to grab your headphones. You have to grab the left one. On the left you will find the power button. It's right here. So you have to click and hold it until you will hear a notification that they are in the pairing mode. So let's make it right now. Click and hold. As you can hear, we get notification that the Bluetooth is enabled, and right now we are in the pairing mode. So right now, when you refresh the list on your Android smartphone, you will find your Sony WH headphones. So tap on them once, accept pair, and right now we are connected. That's the fastest way, but we got also another method with better features. So we have to go for the Play Store, tap on the search bar and type headphones. Sony. This one. We have to get this application, Headphones Connect from Sony. So let's install. It will take a little bit longer, but definitely is worth to get it because we will get additional features with this application. So be patient and wait until the download will be finished. Right now we can open. We have select our country. Accept this stuff. Click start. Read that. Click next. Tap agree and start using. Here is our device. So we can click OK. We can sign in with an account. I'm gonna make it later. I was previously connected with this phone, so I can restore my data. So I'm gonna make it, but you can also go without restoring. Okay, it looks like I have to connect with my account, so I'm gonna skip this way and I'm gonna connect without restoring data. Click next. Right now we can use adaptive sound control. It's based on the location. We can skip this one, and we can also sign in one more time to get this kind of badges. I think that I can call it like that. I think it's good feature, but you don't need it at all. You can, you can activate it, but I'm gonna skip. The last step, click next. Next. Here is the preview of the normal audio. Of course, you will hear that through your headphones. And that's the 360. Of course, there's no big difference when you just listening when they are not on the head, but when you put them on the head, I'm gonna make it right now, and I'm gonna volume down a little bit. Okay, so basically it works like the special audio on the Apple. I think it's worth to get it, so we can click next. Here we got services that support this 360 reality audio. We can start setup. We have to take a photo of our ears and analyze. We can optimize the music service. Okay, let's skip this one. We can go for the dashboard finally, and here we are. As you can see right now, we are connected with the Sony application, where we can adjust noise cancelling level, we can turn it on, turn it off, we can adjust ambient sound, we can enable option to focus on the voice. Oh, I just misclick. We can also turn off the ambient sound. Here we can, personalize stuff. The sound position control, surround VBT. Here we got the equalizer with the great features with the bass boost. Here we can also change the sound quality mode, priority on the sound quality or on the stable connection. Below we can enable or disable DSEEHX. And in the system we can find other options, but I just go too long, I think. It's supposed to be like 2 or 3 minutes video. I just keep talking about unnecessary things for you right now, because you only watch this video to get information how to pair them. So probably most of you just turn off this video, so I'm gonna finish right now. So yeah, that's how you can connect Sony WH-1000XM3 with your Android phone by using the boot settings. That's very simple, or by using this Headphones Connect application. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.